How to remove Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Mesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove Google account. Now, in order to remove Google account from your Android device, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you can simply head over to your phone settings. You do not need to open up Google. Instead, you want to head into your device settings. You can scroll down the notification bar and tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner and head directly into settings. Now, once under settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below until you find the option that says accounts. You can see in my device it says accounts and backup. You want to head into that particular option. Once you tap on accounts and backup, you want to tap on the option that says manage accounts. You can see at the very top on the screen, you want to tap on manage accounts. You'll be able to find the list of accounts on your device. You want to simply tap on the particular Google account that you wish to remove from your device, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on remove account option, and you'll be able to remove it once you confirm your phone pin. So this way you can remove Google account from your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.